See, in case of any electrical shock, by mistake you got a shock, then what you have to do, try to hold a wood. And in case of swallowing any pill, you have taken any medicine, then drink plenty of water and call the doctor immediately. By mistake you have taken some tablets, somewhere it is kept near your mummy's drawer and all, you have taken it, then you have to drink plenty of water and call the doctor immediately. Now, safety at school. We should not jump on the desk and chair. Now, when we are going to school, don't, in the recess and all, we must not jump on the table and chairs. We should not go to the terrace of the school. We must play in the ground only. We must not go on the terrace. We should not push each other. Means while we are playing also, you all push each other. No? We must not do that. We must play quietly, play some nice games. We must not push each other. We should not run in the corridors. Means when the recess time and all, you all run simply without seeing. Don't run on the corridors. We should walk in a line. And we should not run up or down the stairs. Means when we are going the first floor or the second floor of your class, means we should not run. We should go in a line. And we should not use railings or slides. We must not sit on this railings and slides and do mischief. Means go on the stairs quietly. In case of injury, means you should wash and cut with clean water and go to the medical room of your school. Means in case while playing you got any hurt and all, means you must wash the cut. First we have to wash it, tell the peon to wash it and with clean water, and go to the medical room for first aid. Now, safety at the time of arrival and departure of the bus. Now, at the time of arrival, when your bus is standing near the school and when you go by bus, then what you should do? We should stand in a queue at the bus stop. Means where all the students are standing, there you will stand. You must not push others while getting into the bus. Means when you are getting into the school bus, you must not push each other. You might fall and you might get hurt. We should not lean out of the windows of the buses. Means when you are sitting in the window seat, we must not lean outside the bus. Means sit properly inside. Don't put your head outside the window. We should keep sitting in the moving bus. Means when the bus has already started, means we must not move. We must not run in the bus. We must not keep walking. We must sit wherever you got your place. And we should not try to get down from the moving bus. When the bus is moving, we must not try to get down. We must wait till the bus stops. Do not stand exactly behind or in front of the bus, as the driver cannot see you. Means you must not stand in front exactly here. You must not stand. You must not stand here. He cannot see you. You must keep some place and stand so that he will be able to see you. Here you will stand, means he is not able to see you, that you are standing over there in front of the bus. Stay away from the bus while crossing the road. Means when you are crossing the road, you must see both to your right and to your left while you are crossing the road. Both the sides, any vehicle is coming or not, that you have to see and then cross the road. Never wait for your friend at the place where the buses run. Means you must not wait for your classmate or for your friend when the bus is moving in a moving position. You must not wait over there. You can wait for him somewhere else.